The beard. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. First, make a slip knot in this way. Place the hook under the yarn. Twist the hook clockwise to wrap the yarn. Pinch the crossover of the yarn. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. A slip knot is made. Start with 11 chain stitches, ch. One chain stitch, ch, is done. Mark the left loop of the first chain stitch, ch. Continue to work chain stitches, ch. Finish 11 chain stitches, ch, in total. Eleven chain stitches, ch, are done. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, ch, and work one slip stitch, ss, through the left loop of the second chain. Mark this slip stitch, ss. Next, work one single crochet, sc. Then work 2 half double crochets, hdc. Two half double crochets, hdc, are done. Then work 2 slip stitches, ss. Then work 2 half double crochets, hdc. Next, work one single crochet, sc. Remove the marker and work one slip stitch, ss, through the marked loop. Then we'll work through the loops on the other side of the chain. Work 2 chain stitches, ch. Then work one slip stitch, ss. We'll work this slip stitch, ss, in the stitch next to the stitch where we just finished the last slip stitch, ss. Put the yarn tail above the hook during crocheting. Then work a set of 2 chain stitches, ch, 1 slip stitch, ss, for 3 times. The first set. Work 2 chain stitches, ch. Then work 1 slip stitch, ss. Put the yarn tail above the hook during crocheting. The second set. Work 2 chain stitches, ch. Then work 1 slip stitch, ss. Cut off this short yarn tail. The third set. Work 2 chain stitches, ch. Then work 1 slip stitch, ss. Next, work 1 decrease, dec. Then work a set of 1 slip stitch, ss, 2 chain stitches, ch, for 3 times. The first set. Work 1 slip stitch, ss. Then work 2 chain stitches, ch. The second set. Work 1 slip stitch, ss. Then work 2 chain stitches, ch. The third set. Work 1 slip stitch, ss. Then work 2 chain stitches, ch. Three sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch, ss, in the first stitch to join this round. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. Tighten up. The beard is completed.